Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a cooling summer tea. Now I'm not showing you my face today because I'm trying to show you what I have set up. So what I have here, what I'm using to make this tea is some lemon balm mint, and it's just fresh right off the vine. And then I have some limes that I used. I'm I already I already squeezed them because it will just be painful to watch me squeeze them into the thing. So I already squeezed them. So if you don't see me squeezing them, that's why. Um, I also have about a third cup of honey, fresh off my papa's bee farm. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Um, I also have water, but I'll bring that in later. So what you want to do first is just take your lemon balm and just roughly, it doesn't even matter if you mess up, just roughly cut it like 1 inch a piece. So I'm just gonna roughly cut it along here. And once I have that, so I'm just cutting, like I said, I'm just cutting roughly along, about 1 inch. Doesn't matter if you mess up. Then once I have that, I'm gonna take all this lemon balm and put it into this ball jar and just put it all in there. I have the jar filled up about probably 1/4 of ice. And what that does is when I have all the things in there, I'll shake it up and it just takes the flavor out into the jar. It takes the flavor out so that you can taste it better. Next, what I'm gonna do is put this filter over the jar and just pour, I have 5 limes that I used, and just pour the limes in there. I have this filter so that the lime seeds don't get in the jar. So after I have done that, I'm gonna just put my stuff back over here and I'm gonna pour the honey in. You might want to have a spatula to do this though, because when you pour the honey in, it's not all gonna come out. So you want to pour the honey in and just take the rest out with the spatula. Just put it all in there. It kind of looks weird right now, but once I have it all done, it'll look great. And it'll taste great too, just saying. I should also probably mention this, that what I did is, what I did with the lemon peels is put this, we're going to pour the lemon peels, we're going to pour this mixture in here afterwards in this big pitcher. And I put the lemon peels in this pitcher, and that just enhances the flavoring. So after I've done the honey and the lemon balm and the limes, I'm gonna pour about I'm gonna pour this water in here. I'd say it's a wait, there's no measurings on here, I'm sorry, but I'm just pouring this water in here. You have a jar about this size, and you just pour it about 1/6 of the jar. So I'm just gonna pour the water in here. So once I do that, I am going to take this lid and put it on the jar and just shake the jar around like this. And then pause and then shake it up again. I want to make sure I don't have any like honey or things like that lying around. Or I guess the lemon balm is fine, but the honey you kind of want mixed in. And then I pause, and then I shake it up some more. So once I've done that, it looks like this. Sorry. And then I take my pitcher and fill it up about halfway with water. So I'm just gonna fill it about halfway with water. Once I've done that, I'm gonna take my mixing out and my mixing of cooling summer tea and put it in the pitcher. Sorry, this is like glue, like the thing froze it on. So I'm gonna pour this into the pitcher. So this is what it looks like afterward. I'm just gonna shake it around a little bit. And I have my cooling summer tea. Now you can watch me try it. I don't know if this is gonna be fun, but I hope it tastes good. So just gonna grab a cup and pour it in. That tastes great. So this is once again, this is called a cooling summer tea. And if you guys try this recipe, you will love it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps you, and bye.